Genius Art. For the art category, please ensure that your project title follows the required format. Once you've entered all the required information, you have the option to add a media link if you have one. Genius Business. In the business category, start by formatting your project title correctly and filling in the required details. If you have a media link to share, you can add it. This is optional for business projects as well. Genius Coding. Follow the title formatting guidelines and use the student's name as the project title. Complete all required details. No media link is necessary for this category. Genius Music. For music projects, enter your project title and all the required information in the specified format. If you have a media link, it is required to include it. Simply copy a valid YouTube link, paste it, and use the preview option to ensure the link works properly. Genius Robotics. In the robotics category, your project title and required details must follow the given format. Adding a media link is also required here. Make sure to copy and paste a valid YouTube link and check its functionality through the preview option. Genius Science. For the science category, your project title should be formatted correctly and all required information must be submitted. If you have a media link, you can include it, but this step is optional for science projects. Genius Short Film. In the short film category, ensure your project title and required details are completed as instructed. Adding a media link is required for this category. Again, use a valid YouTube link, paste it, and verify it using the preview option. Genius Speech. For the speech category, follow the format for your title and enter all required information. A media link is required here as well. Copy a valid YouTube link, paste it into the form, and confirm its validity with the preview feature. Please ensure you adhere to these guidelines to complete your submission successfully.